Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Mrinal Parab. I'm a consultant cancer surgeon and today we'll be talking about cervical cancer. Now cervix is the opening of the uterus and the cervical cancer is the second most common cancer in India as well as internationally. So how does it happen? It happens because of human papillomavirus. Now, this human papillomavirus gets transmitted through unprotected sex or multiple sexual partner, and in male, it can lead to the penile cancer. So, is it feasible to prevent it? So, yes, it is feasible to prevent it, and it is with the help of HPV vaccine. Now, this vaccine, which is available in India and internationally, is a nanovalent vaccine which covers total 9 strains of the HPV, and it is needed to be given from the 9th year of the age till 45 years to all female as well as male child, and that gives them about 90 to 95 percentage of immunity towards the cancer. That means they might confront the infection but they may not develop the cancer. So, in case anybody develops the cancer, what are the symptoms that we get? The symptoms are like in females we get genital warts or pervaginal discharge, which is not getting treated irrespective of the treatment, or intermenstrual bleeding, or postmenopausal spotting. These are the symptoms which we find. So, suppose if the patient walks in my OPD, so I will again do the HPV testing for them, HPV DNA testing, pap smear, MRI scan. These are all tests we do, and then we come to the diagnosis as well as staging of the cancer. And mind it, if cancer gets detected earlier, you can get treated early and you can get cured also completely. So the treatment modalities for the cancer are surgery, chemo and radiation depending on the stage of the cancer. And again, I would like to emphasize that if the patient comes to the physician and the oncologist earlier, the cancer can be cured completely. And yes, there are regular screening which is available, and that is regular pap smear at the 3 to 5 years difference that can be done for the female to detect the cancer earlier. Thank you very much.